So you get yourself a new CB radio in your nice truck and you're like, oh no, I gotta mount this thing somewhere. I want to ruin my nice dash. So, solution. What you do, use a mob armor mounting disc. Obviously this one is for a phone. It's not what I'm talking about. Just use the disc, get it on your dash, and then go on Amazon and you can get you some magnets. And I took the piece off of here that would normally slide into the mic holder and then screwed a magnet in. I went ahead, and this is just the first prototype. I need to find something better than this, but just took some electrical tape and put it on there kind of nice just to help it not scratch and slide. And just like that. Well, you wiggle it too much, it'll come off, I guess, there, but the normal road wiggles, it's fine. Those mom arbor discs are pretty thick, so these magnets are really strong. One of them actually broke when they all snapped together, taking them out of the box. So easy modification. Keep your dash nice and clean. Don't be screwing holes in there. And yes, it still works just fine. The magnet on the back, it's not messing anything up. Still go through the channels. Let me turn my squelch up. Still works just fine. So there you go. This has been Sean from High Country Cruiser showing you how to not mess your dash up. Good night.